Thank you for your interest in this presentation on environmental mindfulness and the use of appropriate technology. Mindfulness involves paying attention in a particular way, on purpose. It has a focus on cultivating conscious awareness, and it facilitates connections which are healing and transformational. Mindfulness is commonly relevant in areas such as health, well-being, and lifestyles. It is linked with satisfaction and considering new ways to behave. It also has a reciprocal relationship with control, which is interesting because that means it is engaging one's awareness and ability to adjust, which leads to the ability to better manage one's thinking and behavior. And these are important for living in an uncertain world with daunting environmental issues. Along with the typical applications, mindfulness has relevance for concerns about the environment. Along with the social and emotional intelligence that are recognized now, Goleman urges the inclusion of ecological intelligence to our definition of intelligence. Indeed, he believes that mindfulness is the foundation to halting environmental destruction. Mindfulness supports practices of sustainability, which blend concerns for human condition, economic growth, and the environment. Berghoff and Jacob note that mindfulness may facilitate ecological sustainability, and that requires a fundamental shift in human consciousness, a rebirth. White noted that ecological consciousness involves a psychospiritual connection with nature, and that connectedness to nature significantly is associated with pro-environmental awareness and behavior. Amal, Manning, and Scott noted a significant positive correlation between mindfulness and sustainable behavior, and feeling connected to our surroundings is needed for sustaining actions. So mindfulness involves paying attention and on purpose. In particular, environmental mindfulness relates to an individual's connectedness with nature and pro-environmental awareness and behavior. Pro-environmentalism leads to ecological consciousness and the use of sustainable practices. In particular, pro-environmentalism through mindfulness can lead to the use of appropriate technology, and appropriate technology connects people to their environment. Appropriate technologies are simple advancements that make sense for the context. The innovations are simple, small-scale, low-cost, and non-violent, such as a drinking well, or portable classroom, or a solar lantern. And importantly, they fill a local need. Appropriate technologies are used worldwide in areas such as agriculture, where simple advancements improve crop production, and in water supply, where basic purification systems promote health. These technologies are inspired ways of life, and their use can evolve from mindfulness. Developing environmental mindfulness is possible and worthwhile through teaching and learning experiences. With roots in outdoor education, environmental education has evolved as a unique field with increasing interest and impact. Participation in environmental programs show an increase in environmental knowledge and awareness, attitudinal outcomes, and significant increases in students' connectedness with nature. These are essential for environmental and sustainability issues. Mindfulness instruction has become part of environmental education for students in a variety of programs. Concerns related to the environment can be overwhelming, particularly for young students. Effective approaches highlight local, personal efforts to be environmentally mindful, with a focus on individuals, neighborhoods, or communities towards improvements. Learning which relates to community gardens and market gardens for city dwellers can allow connections to nature and pro-environmental awareness. Activities that involve initiatives to reduce, reuse, and recycle, including composting, and food and household waste, along with packaging, are among possibilities. Breaking the issues into manageable parts helps to keep the issues approachable. In turn, such activities illuminate the personal impact on larger environmental issues. It is also important to make the learning meaningful. To increase student interest, Clary and Wandersea advocated for school programming that connects concepts, including sustainability issues, to students' lives with classroom investigations and consumption analysis, waste analysis, along with efforts and activities that promote sustainability and use resources wisely. Will Clean's learning experiences blended appropriate technologies and sustainability, which encouraged students to be creative problem solvers with broadened knowledge of technology and the world beyond their local surroundings. He detailed a class project including assessment criteria, in which students design and construct a simple water purification device. I'd like to add some concluding thoughts here. It has been found that healthy psychological development involves the development of the individual and the individual's environment together as a dialectical, holistic organization. Environmental mindfulness relates to an individual's connectedness with nature and pro-environmental awareness and behavior. The development of environmental mindfulness with activities that promote the connections and increase knowledge, attitudes, and behaviors is worthwhile and possible and has lifetime benefits. Environmental mindfulness influences choices for using appropriate technology as efforts towards sustainability. I think it's important to keep in mind von Glaserfeld's assertion that it is we who are responsible for the world we are experiencing. Toward that assertion, the use of appropriate technologies can contribute to sustainable, mindful living. The references that I cited are noted here. If you have any questions related to this presentation on mindfulness and the use of appropriate technology, you can reach me at gerben@uwindsor.ca. Thank you for your time.